Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I am going to be doing a blind buy haul. These are my favorite types of videos to do. Let me just get right into it. But first, I want to welcome any new subscribers. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. And if you are new and you love fragrance videos, please consider subscribing because I have just a bunch of ideas to film and I just completely love talking about fragrances. So let's go ahead and let's get started. The first fragrance I picked up, I found it at Marshall's and I got it for, I think it was 19 bucks. And this is by Salvatore Ferragamo and this is Signorina. And this is the Ole Toilette, and it is a 1.7 fluid ounce bottle, and I think that these bottles are gorgeous. I love the pink and purple. I have the Signorina Misteriosa already, so when I saw this, I picked it up so fast because I knew what the bottle looked like as soon as I saw the name in the store. So the main accords for this fragrance are lactonic, rose, fruity, citrus, tropical, sweet, vanilla, savory, fresh, and woody. And the top notes are lychee and grapefruit. Middle notes are rose and rice. And the base notes are milk, mousse, and cashmere. Sounds super interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna spray the box. Oh my god, that's so good. Let me put it here. It's very soft. It's not a harsh fragrance at all. Very delicate, very soft. Definitely these colors match the fragrance perfectly because I feel like it's very delicate. And definitely I would wear it for every day. And I am getting rose. It does have rose. I'm getting the rose. It's a creamy rose, I guess because of that milk mousse. Oh, I'm not even a rose person like that, but this smells really good. It's almost comforting. And it's like a mix between a gourmand and a floral. Oh, that is so good. I can't wait to fully test this one out because it smells gorgeous right now. A creamy milky rose. That's what I get with this fragrance. I'm only going to be doing 4 fragrances per haul because I don't want my videos to be so long. The last hauls I had like 7 fragrances and stuff and it takes really long, so I'm trying to keep them a little bit shorter. So the next fragrance, I already have Jean Paul Gaultier Scandal. I'm killing these pronunciations, but I already have the original one, so I went ahead and I ordered a Paris. I really like the velvet. I don't like the packaging itself because it's so bulky, but I really like the colors and I love the velvet feel to it, and I just love the way that it just, the presentation of it is just beautiful. So this fragrance I was interested in because I heard that it was just a lighter version of the original. The main accords for this perfume are honey, sweet, fruity, white floral, floral, aquatic, and fresh. You have pear as the top note, jasmine as the middle note, and the base note is honey. That reminds me of the way that La Belle is. They only give you 3 notes. So let's see how this smells. Oh, this is so good. Oh my god. This is like your daytime scandal. The other one, you can save it for nighttime. You don't have to pull it out during the day. It's a little too much. This one, oh my god, yes. This is so good. I pretty much just pushed that up my nose. The pear, oh my god. Okay, just listen to me and get yourself this. I don't like, you know, I don't want to push anything on anybody, but I think I might like it more than the original. Oh my god, what? This is the pear, the jasmine, and the honey. They're blended. It's beautiful. It is an airier version of the original. It's not as dense, but you're still getting that vibe. Oh my god. The honey, it's just like you're pouring honey over the pear. This is what I wished I would have got from La Belle, because I am that odd one out that did not like La Belle. But funny story, I sold my La Belle and the hype is so much that I couldn't accept it, and I ordered it again because I said, you know what, let me just give it another try. So I'm waiting for it again, because either I got a bad bottle or I don't know what, but I just got straight up vetiver from La Belle. And it's probably because I live in a very hot climate, and everyone is telling me that it's most likely that, because everyone is using it more for cooler weather. So I'm probably gonna go through the same thing again. But I kind of, when I heard about La Belle, I think my mind pictured something like this. This is what I pictured when everyone was describing La Belle. So, oh, this is so good. This one I already smelled, but I wanted to include it in this haul. This is Dolce Gabbana Peony. I got this one because I did buy the rose and I have the original one, so I just wanted to just give you guys comparison in as many as I can. I don't know if I'm interested in the yellow one, but which is called Shine. So the main accords for this one are floral, fresh, fruity, sweet, rose, and honey. So you have pear, cyclamen, bergamot, pink pepper. The middle notes are peony, freesia, Bulgarian rose, and the base notes are mirabelle, honey, ambroxan, and patchouli. So another honey fragrance. I already smelled this one, but it's delicious too. It's so good. I get the honey in here a little bit. The peony, it has peony. I get peony in this one, but the pear plays really nicely with it. The honey, the patchouli is not strong at all, but it makes it like a little bit, it just makes it so good. It smells so good. I don't know why it kind of reminds me of like a baby. Like when you smell a baby, that just pure sweet smell, that's kind of what this reminds me of. It's just very innocent and sweet to me. Right. And then the last one, wow, I think I did this haul pretty quickly. Okay, so funny story about me. I tend to do things backwards. I'm about to own all of the La Vie La Belle fragrances, and I still don't have the original one. Why? I don't know. And I do that with a lot of fragrances. I buy the flanker first and I never get the original. I have Good Girl Supreme. I don't have the Good Girl regular. I do that a whole lot. So the first one that I got of these was in Rose, and I really love that one. So then I went and I bought the Le Clat one. Love that one. And then now here I have the Intense version. So the main accords for this fragrance are sweet, nutty, woody, vanilla, white floral, iris, fruity, lactonic, tuberose, soft, spicy. And you have the top notes is pear. I have a lot of pear today. Pear, currant buds, pink pepper, orange, and bergamot. The middle notes are iris, tuberose, ylang ylang, orange blossom, and jasmine sambac. And the base notes are whipped cream and hazelnut. It sounds so yummy. here is the bottle for this one. What a gorgeous bottle. This is beautiful. And I got the 1.7 fluid ounce. So hopefully, notes that I kind of tend to worry with, pink pepper, tuberose, sometimes it's not something that I go for, so it depends how it is in a fragrance. Let's see. Oh. Oh, that's beautiful. Great haul. Great haul. To me, it has La Vie La Belle DNA because I have smelled La Vie La Belle many times. It just feels like a creamier version of that one. And you don't have the patchouli, which the original one does have. Oh, yes, I get the pear. And the pear is mixed. It almost feels like the pear has like a brown sugar or something on it. Like a pear, but like cinnamony or something. Why do I get that? There's hazelnut. That's probably what it is. This one is so yummy. Like eat my arm yummy. Oh my god, that's so good. It's gourmand, it's creamy, it's so good. This one is, it's good. I love it. I didn't know if to keep filming blind buy hauls because sometimes I fall in love with a fragrance and then when I go to try it again to actually wear it, it goes horribly wrong and then I feel like I'm lying to you guys. But I feel like it's also fun to see first impressions, so I don't know, you guys could tell me what you think. But there has been a few fragrances where I would be like, oh yes, this is good, blah blah blah, and then when I go to put it on, I'm either not impressed or it smells different because I am smelling a lot of different scents at the same time. But today, everything that I smelled, it's beautiful. The softest one and the one that will be a skin scent is this one for sure. So this is the Signorina one. Very soft. If anything, this is like for after you shower and you want to go to bed. Or if you want to be home or something, but definitely not for something important. Or if you want to be noticed, you probably won't like this one because it's very soft, it's very delicate, but it's really nice. So it's a very nice scent. I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. That is going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Comment down below. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. I will see you guys in my next video.